The Humanism movement in English literature emerged during the Renaissance, bringing a profound shift in thought and creativity. It was a revival of classical learning, emphasizing human reason, dignity, and the exploration of life beyond religious constraints. Originating in Italy with thinkers like Petrarch and Boccaccio, humanism soon spread across Europe, profoundly shaping English literature. During the medieval period, literature was largely dominated by religious themes, but with the rise of humanism, writers began to explore human nature, emotions, and worldly experiences. This shift was evident in the works of Sir Thomas More, whose Utopia painted a vision of an ideal society based on rational thought and justice. Similarly, Francis Bacon, often regarded as a father of empiricism, promoted knowledge and reason in his essays. Perhaps the most striking impact of humanism can be seen in the works of William Shakespeare. His plays and sonnets delve into the complexities of human emotion, ambition, and morality, reflecting the Renaissance spirit of inquiry and self-exploration. Likewise, Christopher Marlowe's Dr. Faustus presents the eternal conflict between human ambition and divine authority, embodying the humanist fascination with knowledge and power. Later, John Milton's Paradise Lost blended classical influences with Christian themes, reinforcing the Renaissance belief in free will and intellectual pursuit. Through these literary giants, humanism left an indelible mark on English literature, encouraging a tradition of thought-provoking storytelling that continues to influence writers to this day.